everyone, it's Miss Owen here at BMS, and today I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a line when given some information. So let's look at our first example. Our first example, they give us the slope of the line and they tell us that it passes through this specific point. So we know that the slope of the line is m, and this point is x, y. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is write down the standard equation of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. After that, what I want to do is I want to figure out what is the b. Where is my y-intercept? I know the m, the x, and the y. So I'm going to plug those into this equation and then solve for b. So instead of y, I have -2 equals, instead of m, it's -4/3, times, instead of x, it's 6, plus b. Now I'm just solving for b, trying to get b by itself. So I'm going to bring down -2 equals -4/3 times 6 is -8 plus b. Then I'm ready to bring this 8 to the other side. I'm going to add, and -2 plus 8 is 6. Okay, with rules about a standard equation of a line, the y and the x stay the same. You're just replacing the slope and the y-intercept. So I'm going to write down my equation. Y equals, my slope is -4/3, x, and then plus or minus whatever b is. In this case, b is 6. So I write down plus 6. Okay, so let's look at another example. This example says find the equation of each of this line that passes through these 2 points. So now they don't give you the slope, so you have to first find the slope. So the equation of the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what you need to do first is label these 2 points as x, y, x, y. This is our first point, so we're going to put sub 1's next to it. This is our second point, so we're going to put sub 2's next to it. Now I'm ready to plug in this information that I know into my equation. So y2 is 2 minus y1 is 5 over x2 is -3 minus x1 is 0. Now I'm ready to do the math. 2 minus 5 is -3, and -3 minus 0 is -3. So -3 divided by -3 is 1. So off to the side, I'm going to put that m equals 1. Okay, so now this problem becomes one like example 1. You have the slope, m, that's what's known, and we're trying to find the b. You can use either one of these points to find the b. You're going to get the same answer, so it doesn't matter which one you pick. When I'm looking at this, I would rather choose this point when I'm finding b rather than this point, because this one doesn't have any negatives. And we all know that negatives are a little bit harder to work with. So I'm going to use this point for my x and y, and this is my m. So I'm going to write down the standard equation of a line, y equals mx plus b. Instead of y, I'm going to plug in 5 equals, instead of m, I'm going to plug in 1, times, instead of x, I'm going to plug in 0 plus b. Now I'm just solving this simple equation for b. So 5 equals 1 times 0 is 0 plus b. Trying to get 0 to the other side, so I will subtract 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. So I know that b is 5. Okay? So now that we know our slope and our y-intercept, we're ready to put it into the equation. So y equals, instead of m, it's 1. But do you have to put a 1 in front of a variable? No. The answer is no. It's known that this is just 1x. If you want, you can put the 1 there, but it's better to just leave it as x. And then plus or minus whatever your b is. Our b is +5, so we're going to put +5. So here's the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. I hope you all found this helpful, and thank you all for watching. I will see you next time.